Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. In the last video, we have seen the simulation of LED patterns using 8 LEDs using 8051 microcontroller. So, in today's video, we will see the hardware simulation of the same LED patterns which we have seen the simulation in the last video. So before moving forward, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for my future videos. Those who have not subscribed it, and also please like this video. So let's start our today's video. Now, as you can see here, I am using the same LED board which I have used in the first video of this lecture series, where I have shown you the first basic program of single LED blink using 8051 microcontroller. So in this video, for this project, we'll be using 8 LEDs. 8 LEDs. Here I'm using of 3 red LEDs, 3 white LEDs and 2 green LEDs for patterns, and we will also be using 8 1 kilo ohm resistors. So let's start the video. Let's start our project. So this is how we connect the 1 kilo ohm resistors with port 2. So now we'll be connecting the 8 LEDs with this. So let's start. So after connecting the LEDs and uploading the program, this will be the result. So th- this is the LED pattern using 8 LEDs programming in 8051 microcontroller. So I hope you understood today's our videos, the how we simulate the same program in the hardware. So see you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.